If you are looking to get a MagSafe wallet for your iPhone, I think these are some of the best accessories out there currently for them. None of these were sent to us for this video. I purchased all these with our own money, except for this MagBak wallet case right here. This was sent to us thanks to MagBak for a prior engagement that we have. However, they have no idea about this video, and this is genuinely our thoughts. So having said that, a lot of these are going to be from the same company just because the quality always seems to stick over some of the other ones we've used. And we're going to go ahead and start from left to right. So the first two I want to talk about are going to be from Caseology here. They come in an assortment of different colors. This is the Nano Pop wallet, obviously. And while they might look the same on the surface, when you look on the sides, you can see the substantial difference. So this is going to be the one you're going to want if you really want the most minimal looking wallet for your phone. And you can hear just how well it snaps right on. The reason I like these is because it has this nice rubber grip to it in addition to those magnets that you can see here. And it really does hold on very nice to your case. You don't have to worry about it sliding around, as you can see. But obviously, you're going to be a little bit more restricted on what this case can do. However, you can still slide your card in very easily. It has that nice cutout at the bottom, and you are going to be good to go. If you wanted something a little bit more useful, as you can see here, this is going to give you a stand with an additional wallet, card holder, or cash holder right in the back. And this will show you that extra thickness that you'd get from that case as opposed to just the card case without the kickstand. Now, I do like it because you can obviously use it in either orientation, whatever you really prefer. But again, it has a great grip and isn't going to go anywhere thanks to those magnets and that grippy back. And once again, you can see exact same layout for those magnets. Putting those two aside, next is going to be a company that we've been using a ton of products for a number of years, and that is going to be Peak Design. I purposely have, again, two different designs here. One is going to be your flat basic case and another one with your kickstand. These are going to be a lot thinner than some of your other options, but they do have some of the best magnets in the market, and you can see just how. It's because they put extra magnets in these cases. It's to ensure you have the best grip so they don't go anywhere, and it really does make a difference here. So what's nice about this is, and I'm going to go ahead and take this little card out so you can see, not only is it a nice little flip top so you don't have to worry about them falling out, but there is also a little pull string basically that helps you get to your cards easier when needed. Now, I've used this wallet long enough. You can see it does show some wear and tear over time. Not a big deal, but I did just want you guys to be aware of it and see what it looks like. Again, this is going to be the slim one without the kickstand, and the one I use more so myself is this one right here, and it's going to be the one with the kickstand. So again, very similar design, but you have that kickstand again if you want. And just to show you the difference in the kickstand wallets, you can see the Peak Design is definitely a little thinner, like we said, just because it's not a hard plastic case, unlike the Caseology one. And then one of the ones we were just talking about is going to be from MagBak. You can actually customize it if you'd like. This one is a lot slimmer as well and does give you a little finger loop in the back to hold on to your phone just like that. So again, very well built. You don't have to worry about falling off anywhere. And you can see here, their magnets are just as good because they have additional ones as well around that MagSafe ring to really ensure you get the best grip. When you go ahead and put this on and you actually take one of your cards and put it in the case, it slides right in, and it actually, I'll show you right here first, it actually gives you a wide mouth to put them all in, and you do have that finger spot right at the bottom to slide it out as needed. Very convenient and probably one of the easiest ones to slide in and out with. You can hold a ton of cards in here, some cash if you'd like, and yeah, again, that's what it looks like. So not too much heft or weight added to this at all, and it does really work out good. Nice little extra finger loop like we said, and no issue there. And then lastly here is a Satechi tech case that actually, whoops, let me just leave that to the side, has been around for a number of years now. They just have a ton of new color patterns, and this again has a kickstand and the ability to just kind of slide up as needed for your cards. Don't want to take those out. Those are actually real cards. This is my current wallet right now that I'm using. But yeah, yet again, you can see just what you get. More of a basic ring for your magnets here. And then same attachment right here as well on your phone. Plenty grip. And you have, again, more of a slimline wallet look for this as well. You can go ahead and do it in different angles, just whatever you really need. Not a problem. So, yeah, I would say these are definitely going to be my top choices here. What do you guys think? Is there another player in the game that we didn't actually talk about? I think these are going to be some of your best options. They are all at different price points. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below if you plan to pick one up. I greatly appreciate it if you use those links. It helps out the channel a ton. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.